Hi guys, it's Jen speaking here. So I'm super excited to introduce this asset. Tell me, how many time you spend to find a good asset for your personal project? So that's it. It's free and it's there for you. I did a few adjustments, just comparing with the old version to be sure that everything is clear and you can open it in whatever software you want and you just to enjoy to play with it. Let me say, if you are a student or junior modeler, texture artist, lighter, FX artist, a trainee, doesn't matter. Listen up because this asset can elevate your project, speeding up your workflow. This asset doesn't have UVs, so you can use it to create your big challenge and be sure you can achieve the best UV layout. I created everything in a production level, so you will find all the groups and all the correct naming convention to have everything in a clear and right way. Ready to elevate your personal project? Click the link below to get this free asset. Don't miss the opportunity to supercharge your creative journey. If you think this asset could be useful enough, feel free to share it. Thank you for your time. I can't wait to see the incredible visuals that you will bring to life with this model. As always, guys, stay inspired, be creative, and until next time, happy rendering for everybody. I'm working on new content for you, so let's keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe, and ciao!